Duplicate Analyzer is a bot that helps detect and prevent duplicate records, especially duplicate payments. It builds unique keys by combining multiple fields and flags repeated entries for review. In many businesses, vendors may raise the same invoice more than once, and without strong controls, duplicate payments can slip through. This bot scans the data, matches records across reports, and instantly flags any duplicates, avoiding financial losses. Here are two reports. One is the finance 60-day record, and the other is the current month's transaction data. We'll compare them to identify any overlaps. This view shows both reports side by side. The bot will analyze these and highlight duplicates based on invoice numbers, amounts, and vendors. Let's log in securely to the AMBot 365 platform. Once logged in, select Duplicate Analyser Bot from the dashboard and we are ready to go. The bot is already trained and scheduled. We simply click the Run button to activate the automation. Upload the two Excel reports and click Analyze. The bot will begin scanning for duplicate entries. The summary shows the number of duplicate records found, total rows scanned, and time taken, helping you quickly assess the issue. This Excel output shows all matched duplicates, clearly marked for finance or audit review. Here's the final result. Each duplicate is linked back to its original source file, so it is easy to identify where and when it happened. Detect duplicates in seconds. Prevent double payments. Save up to 90% of your time with clean, verified financial data.